Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the model so syncing works. Open Power BI Desktop and confirm you published to the service. Once done, verify relationships in Model View and that the filter field exists on every page you want to control. Next, add a slicer visual on the first page and select the field. Then open View, enable Sync Slicers pane, and click the slicer to expose sync options. This is the first actionable move that links pages together. Now configure the sync behavior for each page. In the Sync Slicers pane, you'll see two checkboxes per page: Sync and Visible. Use Sync to apply the filter across pages, and Visible to show the slicer on that page. You should decide per page whether users need to see the control or not. Once consistent, repeat for every slicer field you want synced. If you need preset selections, create a bookmark after setting slicers and include data. This locks initial states. Finish by publishing the report and testing sync in the Power BI service. You must interact with slicers on different pages to confirm they carry selections. If sync fails, make sure the fields have matching data types and that the model relationships allow propagation. Also inspect visual level and page level filters that might override slicer effects. One key troubleshooting tip: duplicate the slicer on a page and toggle Visible to see whether the sync box or a competing filter is blocking the update. This isolates the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.